Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism is a concept that allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common parent class. It enables a single interface to represent multiple forms, types of objects, making the code more flexible and reusable. Let's continue with the vehicle example. This is the parent class vehicle. I have a car class that it's a child of a vehicle, extends from vehicle. Let's create a new Java class named as truck, and this truck will extend from vehicle also. And I'll create a constructor matching super because it will match the vehicle, and I need to pass the number of wheels. I need to override the start method. If I type start, I override it. And here I need to print the truck starts. Now, let's go back to our main method in the my class. And here I'll create a vehicle. So let me show you. Vehicle v1 equal to new. And you can see that Android Studio will suggest to create a vehicle or a truck. We'll suppose for me the car and the truck. I'll create v1 as a car, and here I need to pass the model of car. I'll name it as BMW, and I'll create a vehicle v2 object equal to new truck with 6 wheels. So did you notice that a vehicle here is replaced as or assigned as a car, while vehicle v2 is assigned as a truck? This is the power of polymorphism. Moreover, polymorphism allows us to create consistent code. So in this example, polymorphism in Java allows us to create a single method, start or stop, that will behave differently for different vehicles like truck and car. Back to my class, v1.start and v2.start. Same method, but different objects and different classes. Run, and you can see that the start method behaves differently for different vehicles. The first one, the car starts, behave as a car, while the second will behave as a truck. So this is the start of the truck, and this is the start method of the car.